Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use inventory management template in Coda. So first thing, make sure to sign up to Coda, and then you will have dashboard like this. Now in my case, my workspace is free, so I will try to create a blank document here so that I can create inventory management template for my team, right? So usually the fields that we need here are ID, then inventory in text format instead of number or so. Then comes incoming stock, outgoing stock. You will have that table for inventory management. So here you see inventory management as title. Then we will add / then use table. So let's see, I will name this as ID, then name this as inventory item. Sorry, I need to create the spelling. Third thing I will be incoming stock. Fourth will be outgoing stock. Right, so we can stretch a bit here. I can make the column type as text, right? Then also this one will be text, then inventory item again text, so does the incoming stock, all of them are. Then now here I can also turn this into a number, so number percent slide progress number. So let's see, the ID is something like 3001. Then inventory item, let's say Amazon delivery 12, incoming stock delivery item 12, and outgoing will be same, right? So like this I can populate the whole table. I can also change some colors here. You can add conditional formatting. Alternatively, you can also use some of the options for number. For example, you can use decimal places, or if you don't want to put, you can choose one of the options where it will go 1.2, 1.23 and so on, or you can go none, no decimal places, strictly all integer one, right? Then for inventory item here I can have other formats like text format, conditional format. So if you choose text format, you will be able to change some of its value. Then comes your sorting, right? Also the conditional format, based on that you can add some color, right? So this can be a good option for anyone who wants to create a table showing your inventory management, right? So here I can rename this to, so where I can put in warehouse inventory, right? So it will look something like this. It also has search option, then have options part where I can color specific rows. Also you can take a look at option for adding other elements, do the formatting based on filtering, sorting, and then also conditional formatting. So by using this option you can trigger the settings for entire table, right? So like this, here you can see I can also use another table that will summarize this particular table, right? So pretty much a good option over here, right? So we have like conditional option, we can have contains, just keep at contains, then we can name this for yellow. Same I can do this for another. So let's make this green. Right, so here I can make it red. Right, so like this I can add specific set of colors and you would be able to differentiate between the same. Right, as you can see, id, inventory item, incoming stock, outgoing stock, and so on. So if you are handling some of the warehouse for say Amazon or eBay or so, this type of sheet can be a good option to track on Coda.